Container and Packaging, this is Joe Orange.
What's the minimum order on these bottles? Like, how many do I actually need to buy to get started?
You can order as many or as few as you need. No minimum order quantity on stock items like the bottle you're holding there or the one in your daughter's mouth.
We've outgrown our current packaging setup. Can you support a higher volume and make sure we have a steady supply?
All day long, we can bring in a dedicated stock of your specific components to one of our warehouses and ship as needed.
Awesome.
I used the pressure-sensitive liner lids for emu oil product, but the liner is dissolving. I need a new liner fast.
Ooh, I'll find out. Hey, what liner lids are compatible with emu oil?
Oh, you can use either the L076B or the L114WHH163, obviously.
We've got options.
We've got a run scheduled next week, and these sprayers aren't working. The dip tubes are too long, they're kinking. I need 24, 410 fine mist. Do you have anything in stock?
Well, what length do they need to be? If we don't have an exact match, we can cut in-house and ship within 24 to 48 hours.